The DJI Air 3 drone, part of their popular series, has stirred up some controversy among drone enthusiasts since its debut. Even though it brought in a cool new dual-camera setup with both a wide-angle and medium telephoto lens, many fans aren't feeling the excitement. They're holding out hope for the rumored Air 3S, said to come with a bigger 1-inch sensor. So, what's the deal with the Air 3? Will DJI really drop the Air 3S with the upgraded sensor? And if so, when? In our video today, we'll dive into these questions and chat about our expectations for the DJI Air 3S. Let's take a stroll down memory lane, shall we? The Air 2S really brought some serious upgrades compared to the Air 2. It had a better camera, more range, and flew longer. But then came the Air 3, claiming to have all those cool upgrades, except it didn't. DJI decided to go cheap on the camera sensor. Both of the Air 3's lenses have this 1x1.3-inch sensor, just like the Mini 3 Pro. And get this, the wide camera on the Air 3 is even worse than the Air 2S. When it comes to still photos, the Air 2S rocks with its bigger sensor and 20-megapixel camera, giving you clearer shots with less fuss. And here's the real bummer. While the Air 2S can snap pics at a jaw-dropping 5.4K resolution, the Air 3 is stuck at a measly 4K. So, based on the numbers, the Air 2S looks like the champ, until you add in that 70mm zoom lens. But hey, both lenses have a fixed aperture, meaning you'll need to slap on some ND filters if you're shooting in bright sunlight. So yeah, it seems like the Air 3 got more thumbs down than thumbs up in the upgrade department. But fear not, because the Air 3S is riding in to rescue the tarnished reputation. If we take a peek at past launch schedules, there's usually about a year between the DJI Air 2 and Air 2S. Following that pattern, since the DJI Air 3 dropped in July last year, it's a pretty safe bet that the Air 3S might hit the shelves around July this year. There are whispers of an avatar refresh too, so we might see both drones around the same time. But to really make the Air 3S worth a second look, it's gotta have a bigger sensor. Word on the street is, the Air 3S is expected to flaunt a 1-inch sensor for crisper images and more details. Also, for still photos, DJI needs to swap out the lens for a real 48-megapixel camera. And here's a bummer, the Air 3 doesn't let you shoot vertical videos like the Mini 4 Pro does. That's a major letdown for many fans, considering most of us snap pics for social media. You gotta crop those shots from the Air 3 for vertical videos, and that messes with the quality big time. So, fingers crossed the Air 3S brings back the vertical mode, letting us shoot video and pic straight from the drone and post them right to our socials. Another nifty upgrade could be support for DJI RC Pro. Right now, the Air 2 only plays nice with DJI RC2, thanks to the recent OSISync 4 hookup, which has its pros and cons. So, if DJI can hook us up with RC Pro support for the Air 3S, it'd be a game changer for pilots who like to juggle multiple drones with just one controller. It's pretty clear that the Air 3 didn't quite meet expectations, and now the Air 3S has some big shoes to fill. So, if you're debating whether to snag the Air 3 or hold out for the Air 3S, we'd recommend holding off a bit longer. You might just score some handy upgrades for an even better aerial shooting adventure. And hey, while we're on the topic, which DJI drone is your top pick? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like and subscribe icon for more awesome content in your feed.